The Edmund Fitzgerald was a huge carrier ship that was used to transport pellets of iron ore. It could transport over 26,000 tons of iron ore. At the time of the Fitzgerald, she was the largest carrier ship on the Great Lakes, measured at 72 feet long, 75 feet wide, and weighed over 13,000 tons. Captain McSorley became the commander of the ship with 40 years of experience under him. The final voyage of the Edmund Fitzgerald was on November 9, 1975, on Lake Superior. Captain McSorley was aware of a storm that day and decided to take a north pass across Lake Superior to try and avoid the storm. The storm continued getting worse through the days traveling on the water, and the warnings continued to get worse. They continued traveling, and visibility continued to worsen. The wind was getting more dangerous, causing extremely dangerous waves and water conditions. Captain McSorley could see the waves engulf the entire back of the vessel. The Fitzgerald were still in contact with others on the radio while they were taking the storm head-on. After they had contact with the Fitzgerald for the last time, the Anderson was the vessel that was mainly in charge of the search for the Fitzgerald. They came across two of the Fitzgerald's lifeboats, but no survivors. They continued to do sonar surveys of the area of the last known location of the Fitzgerald. They kept finding pieces of wreckage, but nothing else. No survivors, no nothing. On April 15, 1977, the official report was released saying that the Edmund Fitzgerald sunk on November 10, 1975, with loss of life. The official reason why the ship sank couldn't be determined officially, but it was said that the loss of buoyancy and stability from the extreme flooding caused the sinking. But many disagreed. They said the real reason was because of the lack of attention of the crew members to properly close the hatch covers. So in turn, the crew was responsible for the disaster and their own death. The aftermath of this disastrous event was 29 crewmen lost their lives on the ship that day. To this day, no remains of the crew or ship have ever been found.